Restore the performance to your small engines and recreational vehicles. Patented and EPA approved, CataClean is a complete engine, fuel, and exhaust system cleaner. Modern fuels can leave harmful deposits in your engine, and these deposits can reduce fuel efficiency, damage expensive sensors, and even rob power. Keep everything from lawn maintenance equipment to 2- and 4-stroke recreational vehicles running strong with CataClean. CataClean's patented formula restores and protects small engines with a simple pour-in treatment. And since CataClean doesn't alter the fuel's composition, it's safe for use in all gasoline, diesel, and even hybrid engines. CataClean's 8-ounce bottle is perfect for all your recreational toys, like your UTV, motorcycle, jet ski, snowmobile, and more. Even small engines used in lawnmowers, edgers, chainsaws, blowers, and weed trimmers can benefit from CataClean. For full protection, just add CataClean to your fuel tank and run the engine under normal operating conditions for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, then refuel as necessary. Our convenient 8-ounce motorsports bottle makes it easier than ever to pop, pour, and go with CataClean. To grab yourself a bottle, visit us at Holley.com.